Out of all days for LA to rain.
Out of all days.
Oh, he's so cute.
He's so cute. Wow, out of all days, it's literally raining. We tried to do this last few days and it was perfectly sunny and beautiful, and now we just got everything set up and it just decided to start raining. So you may see the raindrops. Sorry, Mocha.
Raindrops keep falling on my head.
But I think a lot of people might think that we live in Japan, or that we're always traveling, or don't even know where like our home base is. Yeah. But for those who don't know,
we're in Los Angeles.
We're in Los Angeles. Welcome to our backyard. The flowers are starting to bloom, and today happens to be an unusually gloomy and slightly rainy day, but it's actually kind of nice. This is our dog Mocha. You've probably seen if you've seen our videos, and if you haven't, he's probably the cutest dog in the world. I'm not biased, but yeah, this is a different style video. We've never done this before.
Essentially, we realized that we introverts, and
we didn't realize, we knew.
We knew we introverts, and we don't really. We try and get better at talking through the camera to y'all directly. So yeah, this is our intent to do that, and
to get a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah. To
give y'all an update and to kind of understand where this channel might be headed.
Yeah.
And to get your guys' input, because we have so much that we want to share, and we have so much that we've filmed and so much coming up, but there's only two of us, and it's just us.
Just us.
And we'd love your guys' input to see what you guys want to see, what you guys are interested in, and kind of see where we can take this.
Yeah.
Thank you to everyone who's like recently followed along on our journey. It's been really dope to see this channel start to grow. We started it to document our journey and archive our memories and our stories, and have a little visual diary of places we've been fortunate to visit. And ooh, that's a loud plane.
It's been beautiful. Like, I feel like even more present when I travel now, documenting stuff, and I love looking back at it and just being like, wow, and just remembering things that I might have forgotten.
Right.
You know. And
yeah, I think that's a question a lot of people ask us, or even just family members, like, when you guys like filming, doesn't that take away from your experience being there? And we feel like it doesn't. I feel like it like adds to it. We try to be low key with our filming. We try to not let it get in the way of our experience. But I've had a camera in my hands like not my whole life, but for a lot of my life. And I feel like I come from a lineage of, in a way, documentarians, of people who trying to preserve our stories. And I always think, like, if we're not preserving our stories and sharing our own stories and perspectives, like, who gets to do it? You know, who gets to tell our stories? And sometimes that means, the stories get lost in the meantime. So it's selfishly an archive for ourselves, but it's also a way for us to share that with others who might not have an opportunity to travel, or might be curious about traveling in a similar slow fashion.
Yeah. And
now it's kayemistudio.
Yeah, it's been honestly refreshing. Like, it's kind of like rethinking what travel content could be, or what a travel channel might look like, or you know. And that's been really, that feels like a gap that I want to fill, where when we visit a place, we want to experience it as if we were to live there. And that means like connecting with people that are there, and really, you know, leaning on recommendations from locals. Like, if we have an opportunity to follow somebody that lives there around, like, that would be an ideal day. Even so much to say, like, if a place is popular on TikTok, then cool, like, let's see what else let's see what else is there.
Yeah,
let's see what that place across the street looks like.
Where are
you
the
know
locals
what I mean?
lining up? What are people like meeting people somewhere and asking their recommendations or their stories? But yeah, which brings us to, you probably noticed like our videos are very inconsistently released, and that's because it's just two of us plus Mocha, who's not doing too much editing, unfortunately. Get to work. But we are sometimes filming with 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras if you count our phones. The editing process, it is a process.
Yeah.
You know, we're kind of trying to simplify our workflow to make it sustainable, more efficient, but maintain high quality.
Yeah.
So we're still kind of figuring that out. But yeah, we're also busy. Like, we both have other client gigs and just life, admin stuff, taxes. I need to pull all these weeds at some point.
Right.
I'm gonna wash the dishes, do our laundry. Life gets in the way. There's a lot of things going on that I wish we could just, edit and film all the time, but that's not reality, and it's not reality for most people.
Facts.
But I mean, even just the process of making a video, like, we don't like sacrificing quality, but we also don't want to go to full other end of the spectrum and be perfectionists and then have that just end up to not releasing anything at all. But
yeah, I mean, we stopped calling them vlogs and we started calling them episodes, and I really look at them as like mini documentaries, mini films, and it's really like a moment when we get to like release them, and like we spend a lot of time like choosing music and choosing sound and sound design, and it really feels like we're like a post-production studio, like, honestly.
For real.
Like,
we go through, maybe there's a simpler way, but I come from a documentary just film background, so we go through selects, and then we're trimming that down, and then we're fine-tuning things, and then maybe adding and recording VO, and then we're selecting songs, adding sound design, recording sound design maybe if we can't find the right thing. Then we're color correcting and color grading every clip, and then your audio mixing.
Yeah, we do an audio pass.
And then we're also learning the YouTube platform, because it's still fairly new to us. I mean, we've been putting videos on YouTube in different capacities for a long time, but this is our first time doing this. So, oh my God, there's so much air traffic right now.
And I think, like, similar to like music, I feel like we understand that like the videos are timeless, you know what I mean? So it's we want to take our time with them to make them last, because even as a person that watches YouTube, I go on my page and I see videos that are 9 months old or a year old, and I'm like, wow, these have stood the test of time, and like you can go back and watch it and it still hits. Like,
and I don't care when someone finds a video, I want it to be to feel new and to feel exciting. But all that to say is we have so much content. We've filmed everything over this past year, and we've also filmed more before that, and we have more to come. As you guys have probably seen, we recently got engaged.
Hey, I got a ring on too. I got a ring on, you know what I mean?
And I'm about to turn 30 in a week.
Wow.
You have big change.
Oh yeah, my hair. You were like, who is this person? I cut my locks off at the beginning of the year.
And later this month, we're actually going on another trip. This time to Europe, which is really
if y'all want to guess
exciting.
which place in Europe we going to in the comments.
Yeah, guess it in the comments. I'll let you know if it's right. If not, you'll have to wait until the video comes out. But
hopefully it's not a year from now.
but I guess it brings us to, like, what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see our travels chronologically in the order that we traveled, or are you more interested in kind of living in the moment with us and releasing maybe some of our more recent videos now, and then rolling out our previous trips a little down the line. Everything's definitely going to be coming out.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of when. I feel like one of the things we talk about is like we really want to be able to edit a trip either maybe like while we're still there, if it's a long trip, or right after we come back while we're still super excited, everything's fresh in our minds, and then get to share that and live that with everyone. And that's our goal. But we feel like we've been playing catch up for like over a year. And although it may be new to others, it's now a year old, and the things I get worried about are what if one of the restaurants or places we visit is now closed, and it's just a different experience. And so yeah, we're playing around with maybe putting out some of our recent stuff to give context on what some of that recent stuff includes.
We have a trip to Barbados.
Yeah, we went to Barbados. Well, that's not recent, but I was just saying some stuff that recent stuff, like as of this year, would be like New York in the winter.
Did a ski trip to Colorado. Visiting my family. We also did a ski trip to Mammoth here in California. Yeah, Northern California.
And this upcoming Europe trip. And slightly before that, we went back to Japan for another 3 weeks. But this time we visited some places that we haven't visited yet. So highlighting different cities, including like Kanazawa, Shizuoka.
Like our first time renting a car.
We rented a car, and you guys have seen some of that in short form, but there's a lot there. And we also had really unique experiences. We got to meet up with some really close family friends who showed us around to lesser known temples and some pretty exclusive behind the scenes of I don't know how else to put it, but really cool experiences. And really excited to dive into that. But that's a whole beast, and I feel like once I start editing that, I want to be able to just one after another put them all out. So, and then before that, like you said, Barbados.
Okay.
Where are you going? Come here.
Okay. Place.
You said, why are you guys sitting out here for so long? We also have stuff that we filmed around our home of LA. Yeah.
Especially when your brother visited, like that was really special. We were able to like see our life with Mocha, you know what I mean?
What's our like normal day?
What's our normal day-to-day
We're not
life.
always traveling, though it may seem like it. We travel frequently, but a lot of our time is home. And are you guys interested in any home content? We're trying to plant a garden here after we pull these weeds and trim this up, but
I love to document that.
We love cooking. We just actually yesterday filmed some incredible baking content. That's for short form, but who knows? Maybe we'll put some of that on our channel. We love coffee and finding good food, and we do that here, and so that's another option. And
you might see some videos with I got long locks, and some videos of me who have short hair, and it might be out of order. So just if you wondering like what's going on, wait, did he just cut his hair? Wait, he grew it back? Like, nah, just know that it might be a little out of order, but we trying our best.
We're trying our best, and we're also working on some really cool client projects right now that we're excited to share once they come out. But I feel like the difference with this season of our life is everything feels pretty aligned. Like our client projects do feel aligned with our goals of kayemistudio, and even if it's just like I feel like we're improving. Like our camera operating is improving, our editing is improving, our workflow is improving, our gear is improving, and all of that like will just like add to like a better experience for all of us.
Facts.
But overall, to wrap things up. Just kidding.
In conclusion,
I can say I definitely got more comfortable in front of the camera.
For sure.
we just wanted to give people an update and give a little insight into how we make videos, why we make videos, and give you a little background to why they might be a little inconsistent and a little out of order. But
thank y'all for watching
yeah.
like all of our videos. You know, I know they're not short, so I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all made it this far in a video, let us know what order do you want to see them. Do you want to see the most recent stuff? Do you want to see it in chronological order? You know, and comment below what country you think we going to in Europe in our oncoming trip. So
Yeah.
thank y'all for tuning
All
in.
right, we'll see you guys there.
Peace.
Good job, Mocha. Okay, it's really raining now. We definitely need to go inside. All right.
I kind of just submitted to the rain. I'm like, let it rain. Let it rain.
That's a cut.